right, you guys, this is the pretest for Unit 13. You can stop this, you can rewind it, you can play it again as much as you need, just so that you can get this test done. When you are done, please take a picture of it and post it under Unit 13 pretest. All right, word number 1 is angle. The photograph of the celebrity was taken at an interesting angle. Number 2, article. An article about school safety appeared in this week's newspaper. Number 3, circle. It takes approximately 365 days for the Earth to circle the sun. Number 4, handle. The handle of the skillet is hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. Number 5, middle. Nicholas is the middle child. He has an older sister and a younger brother. Number 6, people. Millions of people ride the New York City subway every day. Number 7, possible. The veterinarian treated the dog's wounds as quickly as possible. Number 8, sample. Mia asked for a sample of the ice cream before placing her order. Number 9, settle. The teacher instructed her students to settle down. Number 10, stable. My uncle's farm has a stable with 8 horses. Number 11, struggle. Tyler went to bed late, so waking up the next morning was a struggle. And then number 12, title. The author and the illustrator agreed on a title for their new book. All right, those are all the words for Unit 13. Please make sure that you have all of them down, 1 through 12, and that your name and Unit 13 is written at the top of your pretest.